The Toyota Sienna key fobs from 2011 to 2020 use a CR2032 battery. This is a standard lithium coin cell battery that powers the remote locking, unlocking, and panic functions. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the fob without causing damage. Avoid metal tools that could scratch the case. Ensure you have a new CR2032 battery. Duracell or Energizer are reliable brands that provide good performance. Make sure your work area is clean and well lit, and have a small container ready to hold the screws or any small pieces that may come loose when you open the key fob. This will prevent them from getting lost. This process applies to all Sienna models within the specified years, even those with enhanced proximity sensing introduced around 2018. The batteries on average last 2 to 4 years. First, locate the small notch or seam on the side of the key fob. Gently pry the case open, avoiding excessive force. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the correct polarity, positive side up. Insert the new battery, aligning the plus symbol correctly. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons. If the fob doesn't work, try reprogramming it by inserting the key into the ignition, turning it to the on-off positions while pressing the fob buttons. Note that models from 2011 to 2016 might require a dealer visit for reprogramming if DIY methods fail. Dispose of the old battery properly through a recycling program like Call to Recycle.